Okay, lovers, I am at one of my local post offices, as there's two. And it is that time. I have worked my fingers to the bone. It is shipping day. I have done all. Shipping was so tedious. If you thought making all this stuff was tedious, shipping, doing all the shipping labels, the printing and packing, it was tedious, but it's done. So now it's time for shipping. And I'm going to take it and put it in a box, and then it's out into the world. So here we go. But listen, looky here, looky here. Here we go. Oh, it's so loud. Hold on. I've got one hand. I don't know how I'm going to do this. How am I going to do this? I don't know how I'm going to do this. I didn't think about this part. I guess I can hold on. Hold on, I got an idea. Hold on. Alright. Alright, these things are going to Belgium, the UK, oh my God, the Netherlands, all across the United States, Pennsylvania, North Carolina, Florida, everywhere. Pennsylvania. Yeah, Florida. I'm telling you, I worked. So loud. Okay, so that was it. It's done. The deed is done. Yeah, so many of those packages had multiple items in them, and I'm just so happy. Whether you ordered one item or several items, I really appreciate it. I think most everyone that ordered from overseas, actually pretty much everyone that ordered from overseas ordered multiple items. Pretty much everyone, almost everyone. And I only say that because I remember that made it really fun for customs. Anyway, thank y'all so much. It really made, listen, it really made this go around so much. It really made an impact for this launch. It really did. And now everything that comes in going forward, it's all gravy going forward, you know. Everything else is gravy. You know, as the orders now just kind of trickle in going forward, I'll get a few here, a couple there. It'll just be smooth sailing. They're not going to take as long to get out now because I can just kind of fill them as they come in and get them out relatively quickly. So I'm really appreciative, y'all. I'm really appreciative. And they're on the way. So just know, if you're in the Netherlands, for example, if you're in the Netherlands, or you're somewhere in the UK or Belgium, it's gonna take, you know, it's got a little bit of a longer journey to get to you. So hold tight, be patient. It will get there. It'll make its way there. It'll get there. And when you get your jewelry, if you have a YouTube channel, if you want to make a video of yourself wearing your jewelry, that would be great. If any of you have a Twitter or a Facebook, if you want to tag me wearing your jewelry, I would love that. Right? If you want to tag me, if you want to just kind of show off your jewelry, that would be really awesome. It would be so awesome. Let people see your goods, right? Give Twist by Design a little shout out. How about that? Okay, everyone. I've got to go make dinner. I've got to go make dinner. And till next time, loves, hugs, kisses. Bye-bye.